So in this challenge, we're going to look at using a triangle instead of a square. So let's do this first without a loop. So let's think about what we need to do. So we've put our pen down and we're going to move our pen by 100 steps. Then we need to turn our pen. Now, a triangle has angles of 60 degrees for an equilateral triangle. So let's do 60 degrees. And now let's move 100. So let's see what happens. Okay. Now what that's done, it's moved 60 degrees, but there is our line. If we carried on our line there, it's this angle here that we want. But we want this angle, okay? So what we want is not 60 degrees, we want 60 degrees plus another 60 degrees. So we want this to be 120 degrees. So there we go. So now we can just do that once more, and we can add another 120 degrees and one more move, and then we have to finish off with one more 120 degrees. Let's play that. There we go, there's our triangle. Obviously we don't want to be writing the code like this, so we've got this code 3 times. So let's put our loop in under control and repeat, and we're going to do that 3 times, but we don't want all of this in here. Alright, so if we clear now, let's just run the first part of this. There we go, and now we can run this, put this back, and let's play from our flag. There is our triangle, and then we can do what we've done before, so we can repeat this. Now let's repeat it 90 times. Let's change our pen colour to by 10 each time. Let's go to motion and change our degrees by 4 degrees, and then we get a different type of shape and pattern using a triangle. What other shapes and loops could you use to create even better patterns? Go and have a go.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.